Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm preventing my 944 from becoming a ticking time bomb. So this is probably a job that every 944 owner should know about, and if not, then I'm about to teach you. So I think my rubber lines have been replaced at some point because they don't look bad at all, but the thing is they're still rubber, they're still old, and these are fuel lines. So what they will do is they will decay and crack over time, and that's the exhaust right there. So if these decay and crack, then it causes a giant fire. So today what I'm gonna be doing is replacing these with some steel braided lines that I got for like 150 bucks. And there's another thing I wanted to talk about in the back. Struts are still working out really good, by the way. So there was a fuel leak that I had back here that I mentioned before. All right, moment of truth. Well, and it has not been leaking. I'll get a closer look for you guys. It has been dry ever since I replaced it. I mean, except for the one time, but I might have tightened up something that made it not leak anymore. So I really don't know what happened with that. Oh no! And the last thing I want to talk about before is the hatch has started to delaminate a little bit. Thankfully, it hasn't really gone past this point and it sucks, but there's nothing I can really do about it unless I want to have a hatch that doesn't have struts. So let's lift this side of the car and get this job started. Holy brake dust, dude. Oh yeah, those pads and rotors still look really healthy. I don't think the strut is supposed to look like that. But that, ooh, that might just be me. Coilovers next, maybe? So now I need to remove the wheel well liner so I can get access to the lines behind it, which is just a ton of random 10 millimeters and some that were broken off. I got the wheel well off, and it should be these two old lines right here that I will have to cut. Let me disconnect them from the top. So I managed to crack this one, this fuel line loose with a random assortment of wrenches over there, and then this one is just a hose clamp. And my boy got me up. I got hair in my mouth. My boy Corey came here just to chill with me because it's nice to have somebody while you work in your car. Isn't that right?
Yes, very nice.
So these are the new stainless steel lines we're gonna be putting on the car. They look a lot better and a lot more functional and safer than the current lines on the car. These lines still work, so if anyone wants them, like they're in dire need of some rubber lines, I can get them over to you, but yeah, these are looking nice. So I got the old lines disconnected, so I'm gonna try to probably mock these ones up and see how far down the line I should cut them. You know, like measure once, cut once type beat. Probably give it some extra. The hardest part about this is gonna be the brake lines that are in the way since I did the brake lines, but that shouldn't be that too big of a deal, especially if I can disconnect it from there. I might do that real quick actually. I got it disconnected from the top, so it gave me a lot more room to cut it from here, and then I will just be able to slide this on. So I got the line cut. All I have to do is just get this on and compression fitting it with my boy Corey. He's gonna help me out because compression fittings are easier with two people. Yeah! Corey actually pointed out that you probably saw it because I was recording in here. One of the pins was just out, so we hit him back in. Thank you, Corey.
Anytime, my friend.
So we got one fuel line in. It's nice and tight up there. Then we got this compression fitting here, so now we just need to cut this end. So we got the line cut. I will run the car before I do the wheel out to make sure we don't leak. All right, got it attached up there, attached down here. So we're gonna start it up. All right, you go to the side where the wheel well is so I can look up the top. Oh, is it leaking? Oh shoot, which one?
This one.
The right one? Oh, I had a feeling. So when you do these, make sure you tighten the blue things because I'm pretty sure we forgot to do that. So we're gonna go try it again. We also forgot to do this one, but we fixed the leak down there.
Tighten the AN fittings. Don't forget all the little blue things. Don't be like us.
I'm obsessed with them. Like that just looks like really nice, and I'm just like, I'm happy that the job is finally done. They're also like away from the heat of the headers, but also just they're not gonna leak. What's up guys? So thank you so much for tuning into the channel and watching this video. So I have a promotion that I would like to talk about. Is between me and moocherstore.com. They kind of just sell like random car accessory parts, like there's little brushes, little shampoos, or like even sell like cloths or like scratch remover kits. It's just a ton of random like detailing products, but even like some visual accessories too. If you use the code PKVN944 right here, it'll get 10% off anything in the store in its entirety, and it'll help out not only the website, the Moocher store, but it'll also help me as a channel. So if you guys just need some accessories that you're just kind of looking for, check out their website. They sell some good high quality stuff and for a pretty decent price too. So I thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of it. So I found out something. So I kind of got a lot of polish residue on these bumpers, but I think the wet wipes are kind of dealing with it. So I'm gonna go around the car where the polish excess is at and just wipe it all down to make it look good. That's kind of huge actually. All right, so me and my boy Corey are gonna do a little test drive just to fully make sure.
We will.
Make sure there's no leaks, no nothing, no nothing, no bussing, no dussing.
So slow. Yeah, we listen to Sabrina Carpenter a little bit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today we're going to show you how to run nitrous in your 80s Porsche 944.
At the same time, we're gonna teach you how to blow up your 80s 944.